OBDSTAR G3 Toyota Corolla Cross mileage fix explained smoothly. Hey EV and auto tech lovers, this is Hussein, and I welcome you back to Baabji Motors, the place where real diagnostics meet real experience without any unnecessary drama. Before we dive into today's topic, here is a quick but important copyright and safety note. Everything shared here is strictly for learning, technical understanding, and educational exploration. Any tools, screenshots, or terms belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow proper guidelines, safety rules, and your local laws whenever you work on a vehicle. Now let me ask you something that might make you think for a moment. If you had a tool that could read and correct something as sensitive as digital mileage on a modern Toyota, would you rely more on the device or on your own understanding of the process? Hold on to that question, because by the end of this video, you will know the answer. And trust me, today's topic has a little twist you don't want to miss. Today we're talking about the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 and a real user experience on a Toyota Corolla Cross from the year 2022. The work done was mileage correction, but before anyone panics, remember that mileage correction requires an active license on the tool, because nothing in modern diagnostics is unlocked by default. The process begins by selecting Toyota and Lexus, then choosing Corolla Cross, and then selecting the model year 2021 and above with the S6J3001 Denso system. Once inside, the tool reads the onboard EEPROM from the S6J3001 chip and performs the mileage adjustment. The best part is that the entire procedure works directly through the onboard diagnostic port. No opening clusters, no touching circuit boards, no drama. Just plug in, follow instructions, and let the tool guide you through the steps. Now here comes the interesting part. Many technicians have reported smooth success with OBDSTAR G3 on this vehicle, just like the user feedback we saw today. The correction was completed cleanly, and the tool handled the S6J3001 system without any hesitation. But here is the funny twist. If by chance the OBD method fails or hangs or refuses to cooperate, the solution is surprisingly simple. Switch to bench mode. It is almost like the tool is saying, I tried my best, now you try your best. And honestly, it works. Bench mode handles stubborn modules far more reliably, especially when dealing with tight security or unusual data patterns. By the way, at one point while testing, the tool took a moment longer to read the EEPROM, and I joked that maybe the car was still deciding whether it trusts us enough to show its mileage. Modern cars really behave like that sometimes. One moment, they cooperate. The next moment, they act like they need emotional support to communicate. But jokes aside, this system is solid, responsive, and capable when used correctly. So if you're ever working on a Toyota Corolla Cross with the S6J3001 Denso cluster and you need to perform mileage correction, the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 handles it smoothly through onboard diagnostics. And if OBD gives you trouble, bench mode steps in like a reliable backup plan. And now it is time to circle back to the question from the beginning. Should you trust the tool or your understanding more? The answer is a balance of both. A great technician trusts the tool for what it is built to do, but relies on knowledge to handle anything unexpected. That is the true strength of diagnostics. In my personal opinion, systems like the S6J series are becoming more secure every year, and tools like the OBDSTAR G3 are proving how far aftermarket diagnostic capabilities have come. What do you think about this evolution? Comment your thoughts, because I genuinely want to hear your experiences. Before we wrap up, here's a fun fact. The S6J3001 chip has gained popularity across multiple Toyota models, and every year more tools are optimizing support for it, which means smoother jobs and fewer surprises for technicians. Now, if you enjoyed this breakdown and want more real technician stories, insights, and tutorials, let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Hit the like button, hype the video in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to Baabji Motors. Your support helps this channel grow, and every action you take pushes our content to more learners across the world. Thanks again for staying till the end. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.